Welcome, inquisitive minds, to an unparalleled exploration of the humble egg, specifically the transformative power of boiled eggs. This is not just another article about a simple breakfast staple. It's a comprehensive journey into the scientific intricacies, nutritional marvels, and cultural significance of this readily available, yet often underestimated food. We will meticulously dissect prevailing questions, such as are eggs bad for cholesterol, guiding you through the latest research and debunking long-held myths. We'll delve into the specifics of how many eggs per day are considered safe and beneficial, addressing concerns about are eggs bad for you, and examining the nuances of egg cholesterol. The lingering question of are egg yolks dangerous will be answered with clarity, backed by scientific evidence. This in-depth exploration will illuminate the multifaceted boiled eggs benefits, dissect the documented health benefits of boiled eggs, and offer a nuanced perspective on boiled eggs, benefits and harms for men and women. We'll explore the concept of food as medicine through the lens of the egg, positioning it as a powerful and accessible superfood. Furthermore, we will unravel the complex interplay of egg and cholesterol, provide practical diet tips for incorporating eggs into a healthy lifestyle, and underscore the crucial role of protein derived from boiled eggs in supporting various bodily functions. The anatomy of a nutritional powerhouse, deconstructing the boiled eggs composition. To truly appreciate the health benefits of boiled eggs, it's crucial to understand their intricate nutritional makeup. A single medium-sized boiled egg, approximately 50 grams, packs a remarkable array of essential nutrients, far exceeding its seemingly modest appearance. Protein, the building blocks of life, 6 to 7 grams per egg. High-quality protein is the cornerstone of a boiled egg's nutritional profile. This isn't just any protein. It's a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot synthesize on its own. These amino acids are the fundamental building blocks for muscle tissue, crucial for growth, repair, and maintenance. They also play vital roles in enzyme production, hormone regulation, and immune system function. The superior digestibility and bioavailability of protein in eggs make it an excellent choice for individuals of all ages and activity levels. This protein content is a key reason why boiled eggs are so popular among athletes and those seeking to build or maintain lean muscle mass. Fats. Not all fats are created equal, approximately 5 grams per egg. While concerns about fat content often deter people from consuming eggs, it's essential to understand the type of fats present. Boiled eggs primarily contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, considered healthy fats that contribute to cardiovascular health. These fats play a role in reducing inflammation, improving cholesterol levels, and supporting brain function. They also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, further enhancing the egg's nutritional value. The small amount of saturated fat present is not considered a significant health concern when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Cholesterol. Debunking the myth, approximately 200 to 210 milligrams per egg. The egg cholesterol content has been a subject of much debate and misinformation over the years. The pervasive question, are eggs bad for cholesterol, has led many to avoid this nutrient-rich food. However, recent research has challenged this notion. While eggs do contain cholesterol, the type of cholesterol they primarily contribute to is high-density lipoprotein, HDL, often referred to as good cholesterol. HDL helps remove low-density lipoprotein, LDL, the bad cholesterol, from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of arterial plaque buildup and cardiovascular disease. The impact of dietary cholesterol on blood cholesterol levels is less significant than previously believed, and for most individuals, consuming eggs in moderation does not negatively impact cholesterol profiles. It's important to consider individual health conditions and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Vitamins, a symphony of essential nutrients. Boiled eggs are a veritable multivitamin, packed with a diverse array of essential vitamins that contribute to overall health and well-being. Vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting skin health. It plays a vital role in cell growth and differentiation. Vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption, bone health, and immune system regulation. It also plays a role in reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also important for skin health and immune function. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, essential for nerve function, DNA synthesis, and red blood cell production. Deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and neurological problems. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, involved in energy metabolism, converting food into usable energy. It also acts as an antioxidant. Folate, vitamin B9, crucial for cell growth and division, particularly important during pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Minerals, the foundation of physiological processes. Boiled eggs also provide a valuable source of essential minerals that support a wide range of bodily functions. Iron, essential for oxygen transport in the blood. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, causing fatigue and weakness. Zinc, crucial for immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. It also plays a role in taste and smell. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. It's also important for thyroid hormone production and immune function. Iodine, essential for thyroid hormone production, which regulates metabolism, growth, and development. Choline, the brain booster. Choline is a critical nutrient for brain health and cognitive function. It's a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, learning, and muscle control. Adequate choline intake is particularly important for pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers to support the developing brain of the infant. Lutein and zeaxanthin, guardians of eye health. These powerful antioxidants are concentrated in the macula of the eye, where they protect against damage from blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. They act as natural filters, absorbing harmful light and protecting the delicate tissues of the eye. 2. Unlocking the therapeutic potential. 10 science-backed health benefits of boiled eggs, food as medicine in action. The remarkable nutritional composition of boiled eggs translates into a wide range of proven health benefits, solidifying its position as a superfood and a valuable tool in food as medicine. Cardiovascular health, rethinking the egg and cholesterol paradigm. Are eggs bad for cholesterol? The scientific consensus has shifted, recognizing that dietary cholesterol has a less significant impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously believed. Moderate egg consumption, 1 to 2 per day, does not typically raise LDL, bad, cholesterol in healthy individuals and may even increase HDL, good, cholesterol. The focus should be on overall dietary patterns rather than demonizing a single food. Unsaturated fats in boiled eggs contribute to heart health. Lutein and zeaxanthin possess antioxidant properties that protect the heart. Diet tip: enjoy boiled eggs as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Consider steaming or poaching eggs as alternative cooking methods to minimize added fats. Muscle building and repair, a protein powerhouse for athletes and active individuals. High-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids supports muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. Boiled eggs are a convenient and cost-effective source of this crucial macronutrient. Consuming boiled eggs after exercise aids in muscle recovery, reducing soreness and promoting muscle protein synthesis. The leucine content in eggs is particularly beneficial for stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Vision protection, shielding your eyes from age-related decline. Lutein and zeaxanthin, concentrated in the yolk, act as natural sunscreen for the eyes, protecting against damage from blue light and reducing the risk of AMD and cataracts. Vitamin A contributes to healthy vision, particularly in low-light conditions. Brain health and cognitive function, fueling your mind. Choline is a crucial nutrient for brain development, memory, and cognitive function. It's particularly important for pregnant women to support the developing brain of the fetus. Adequate choline intake is linked to improved cognitive performance and reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. Bone health and strength, building a solid foundation. Vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Boiled eggs also provide a source of phosphorus, another mineral crucial for bone health. The protein content in eggs contributes to bone density and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Weight management and satiety, a filling and nutritious option. The high protein content of boiled eggs promotes satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Boiled eggs are relatively low in calories, making them a healthy choice for those trying to lose or maintain weight. Including protein-rich foods like boiled eggs in your diet can help boost metabolism and burn more calories. Immune system support, strengthening your defenses. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and supporting immune function. Vitamin A is also essential for immune system regulation. The protein content in eggs provides the building blocks for antibodies, which fight off infection. Skin health and radiance, nourishing your skin from within. Vitamins A and E are essential for maintaining healthy skin, promoting cell regeneration, and protecting against sun damage. The amino acids in eggs contribute to collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. Pregnancy and fetal development, essential nutrients for a healthy pregnancy. Folate is crucial for preventing neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Choline supports brain development and cognitive function in the infant. Protein provides the building blocks for fetal growth and development. Digestive health and nutrient absorption, supporting a healthy gut. Boiled eggs are relatively easy to digest, making them a suitable option for individuals with sensitive digestive systems. The fats in eggs aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. The amino acids in eggs contribute to the maintenance of a healthy gut lining. 3. Boiled eggs, weighing the benefits and harms. A balanced perspective for men and women. A comprehensive understanding of boiled eggs, benefits and harms for men and women requires considering specific needs and potential concerns. Shared benefits. All the aforementioned health benefits apply equally to both men and women. Potential benefits for men. The cholesterol and healthy fats in boiled eggs may support testosterone production, a key hormone for male health. However, further research is needed to confirm this link definitively. Unique benefits for women. As previously mentioned, boiled eggs are particularly important for pregnant women due to their folate and choline content, supporting healthy fetal development. They can also be beneficial for women experiencing hormonal fluctuations. Potential harms and precautions. The question of are egg yolks dangerous? Depends on individual circumstances. While yolks are nutrient-dense, individuals with pre-existing conditions such as cardiovascular disease, dyslipidemia, high cholesterol, or certain kidney problems should consult with their healthcare provider regarding appropriate egg consumption. Moderation is key. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to eggs, ranging from mild skin rashes to severe anaphylaxis. It's important to be aware of potential allergies and seek medical attention if needed. 4. Addressing common concerns and misconceptions. Answering, are eggs bad for you? And more. Are eggs bad for you? For most healthy individuals, the answer is a resounding no when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. How many eggs per day? General recommendations suggest 1 to 2 eggs per day for healthy adults. However, individual needs may vary based on factors such as age, activity level, and pre-existing health conditions. Consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional is advisable for personalized guidance. The egg cholesterol controversy. While eggs are a source of dietary cholesterol, the impact on blood cholesterol levels is often overstated. Recent research indicates that dietary cholesterol has a less significant effect than saturated and trans fats on raising LDL, bad cholesterol. Are egg yolks dangerous? Egg yolks are the most nutrient-dense part of the egg, containing a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. While they do contain cholesterol and fat, they also offer significant health benefits. Completely eliminating egg yolks is generally not recommended unless advised by a healthcare professional due to specific medical conditions. Mastering the art of boiled egg perfection. Tips and techniques for optimal results. Achieving the perfect boiled egg involves a combination of technique and timing. Here's a step-by-step guide. Select fresh, uncracked eggs. Fresh eggs are more likely to have firm whites and centered yolks. Place eggs in a single layer in a saucepan. Cover eggs completely with cold water, ensuring the water level is about an inch above the eggs. Bring water to a rolling boil. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat and cover it tightly with a lid. Let eggs sit in hot water. No cooking. Set a timer for the desired level of doneness. Soft-boiled, 3 to 4 minutes. Runny yolk, slightly set white. Medium-boiled, 6 to 8 minutes. Creamy yolk, firm white. Hard-boiled, 10 to 12 minutes. Fully cooked yolk and white. Immediately transfer eggs to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and prevents the yolks from turning green. Peel eggs under cold running water. This helps to loosen the shell and makes peeling easier. 6. Beyond the plate. Exploring the versatility of boiled eggs in culinary and beauty applications. Boiled eggs extend beyond their role as a simple breakfast food, finding applications in a diverse range of culinary creations and beauty treatments. Culinary delights. Boiled eggs are a versatile ingredient in salads, sandwiches, deviled eggs, egg salad, and countless other dishes. They are also a staple in many international cuisines, such as Scotch eggs, ramen eggs, and pickled eggs. Beauty treatments. The proteins in egg whites can be used in facial masks to tighten pores and reduce wrinkles. Egg yolks can be used in hair masks to nourish and moisturize dry hair. 7. Conclusion. Embracing the boiled egg as a superfood for a healthier life. The boiled egg, often overlooked as a simple and unassuming food, is a nutritional powerhouse with a wealth of health benefits. By understanding its composition, debunking myths, and incorporating it strategically into a balanced diet, you can unlock its full potential to support your overall health and well-being. Embrace the boiled egg as a valuable tool in your food as medicine arsenal. And remember that boiled eggs benefits are best realized through mindful consumption and a holistic approach to healthy living. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance on how to best incorporate eggs into your specific dietary needs. With this comprehensive knowledge, you can confidently enjoy the delicious and nutritious benefits of this remarkable superfood.